Hi everyone, welcome back to Catchy Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of Catchy Factory, and today I'm here again and answer all your questions. Today's videos will about how to start a hair business part 2, and my companions this time is still Mr. Michael.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Michael, bulk hair extension supplier in Nigeria.
If you haven't watched part 1 of how to start a hair business, I will leave the link here for your reference. And now, let's get started.
Nice to see you all in this video. In addition to 3 tips to answer your questions on how to start a hair business, we will come to the 4th secret. This is to start your orders with the house super promotions provided. Usually, hair extension suppliers in Vietnam will have promotions or discounts on holidays, so you should not miss these occasions. Buying goods with huge discount will make it easier for you to get more profits. The 5th secret related to how to start a hair business that you should not miss is leveraging social media to reach out to customers. Nowadays, there are many social media sites for you to advertise and post your products, like Facebook, Instagram, or even TikTok. This is one of the simplest marketing methods if you are learning about how to start a hair business. The final secret of how to start a hair business that I'm going to share with you today is that you need to build a brand with a unique name and logo. It is undeniable that coming up with a catchy name for a business is extremely difficult. I used to spend a month thinking and choosing a name for my brand. Not only that, because my artistic talent was a bit poor, I had to ask someone else to design the logo. So you start to think of a really cool name. Build a beautiful eye-catching logo. You will surely leave an impression on customers.
Thanks Mr. Michael so much for your sharing. And thanks for accepting to appear in my videos. Hopefully, me and Mr. Michael have helped you answer all the questions related to how to start a hair business. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin, and I will be back every Wednesday and Saturday at Catchy Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.